1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Verse. Chorus. And then you could do the other riffs. What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to another tutorial. Something in Orange, wonderful song, trending right now, viral song. Hope this tutorial gets a ton of views so I can make the monies. Just kidding, but that's actually motivation for this specific video. But anyway, so it's a cool song, really fun to play. Let's see where we're gonna start. So download the PDF that I have available. You can, it's a printable little PDF. You can check the links in the description. It's got all the details. Let's just start with the info for the song. It's in key of G, so no capo, and it's in 6/8 time signature. So you count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like perfect from Ed Sheeran. You see, standard tuning uses our basic chords in the key of G, and it has some really nice riffs. So I'm going to start with the riffs, and then later we'll get into the chords. Okay, or let's just quickly do the chords before we jump ahead of this. So E minor, you could use this E minor, or you could use the one with the 2 fingers at the bottom. It's really up to you. It doesn't really make a difference because he's just playing on the top strings. But if you want to do, this one is a little more sad sounding. This one has got that nice high chime inside of it. And then D over F sharp, which you can also keep the pinky there if you want. Okay, D over F sharp. So basically a D with an F sharp in the bass. So it makes a lot of sense to keep these 2 fingers at the bottom to do E minor, D, G if you wanted to. Okay. But I think he's using the traditional G without the pinky. And then C, we're going to use in the chorus this C, but the one with the bass at the top. It's actually called a C over G because we got a G in the bass, not in C. But it's just a thicker sounding C chord, which is nice for these kind of songs. And then a regular D. And what I like to do with the D is mute the top string with my thumb so that I can strum all the strings. Otherwise I get this sound. Okay, so that's it for the chords. And then for the 2 riffs that you're going to use in the intro are as follows. I'm just going to play this with a pick. So you got the E minor that you're going to strum. And just down strums, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you do this riff. So you got and then you end on the 3, which is the G. Okay. And then you strum the G 3 times to 6. Okay, so it's 3 Gs. Okay, let's just do that again. So the E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the G's 3 times before we do the next riff. Let's do the E minor riff again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then the G part goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. And then you just do a slide. It was a little bit dirty. To the E minor. So let's do the whole thing now. 4, it again. So that's basically, you could play those same notes, but the way he's playing it is, and then, or you could do, but I like this one. It's nicer to learn also to play horizontally versus to play just everything in a block. So that's just some advice there. And then he's got these little riffs that I'll just throw in here that are a little bit important if you just want to embellish the song a bit more. So when you're playing a D to an E minor, so you could do that. That's just a really nice embellishment from D to E minor. So do it again, D again. And then from the C, you could go. See that? Just some cool little riffs. Okay, so for the intro, this is how I wrote it down. Each time a chord is written down, it's 6 beats. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, but I've already done the intro, so I'm not going to do that again now. Okay, so then the reason I did that was not because I'm crazy, it's just to get the focus right on the camera. So, and then in the verses, you're going to play, I don't That's all that you do for the verses, okay? Chorus, simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You don't have to do those embellishments, but that's it. Okay, so for the strumming, if you are struggling with the strumming, just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with down strums. Accenting 1, 2, 3, the 1 and the 4. And then you can add some up strums naturally where you feel. Okay, so, but the up strums need to happen by accident. If the down strums are out of place, that's a problem. But keep your down strums there. And some down strums are very soft, like the 2. He sometimes leaves it out. He just does 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1. That's what he sometimes does a lot. So it just sounds like boom, boom, boom. It's almost like. You get the idea. Sorry. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.